friends, good morning friends, lovers of forex. My name is GDFX. In this video I'm going to be teaching you few things. The last video I dropped, I focused mostly on doing scalping, but you know I love I love catching spikes, and in this video it is the same strategy, the same thing. And in this video you will see because the indicators are there, because I'm going to be dropping the indicators. The first one I didn't drop the indicators because the videos will be coming with part 2, which is this one today. So please watch this video to the end. You will see the indicators inside of this video. This video I'm going to be teaching you simple step, get me right, simple step of how to catch spikes without missing any kobo. I mean, without missing any cent, without missing any dollar, without missing $1, $2. You will close with profit, and not just profit, massive profit at that. Take it from me. My name is GDFX. We'll train people, we educate people, we'll give us strategy, free strategies. I don't charge people for strategy. I only charge for mentorship because it costs me something, and you know, it's business. So anything business worth paying for. So if you need mentorship, please feel free to contact me, and believe me, you will not regret it. And I want to especially thank my returning subscribers who has find it in their interest to always watch my videos. Whether interesting or not interesting, they always pay homage, they always watch what I got, and I'm very grateful. You are the reason why I'm here, and GDFS, I can never take you for granted. I love you, I respect you. This is our channel, and you have supported me so well. That is why I can never take you for granted. Thank you to you, sir. Thank you to you, ma. I love you and I respect you for that. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Now, how does this strategy work? Because this video is going to be very simple. It's going to be as simple as that. Now, watch out to what I'm about to draw in the screen now. Please watch what I'm about to draw in the screen. This is the simplest way. Watch here now. This is the simple way to catch spikes and make thousands of dollars depending on your lot size. Get that from me. Let me not talk too much. Let me not open too many places. Just take this here. Now, let's do a little analysis. The blue line here is moving average 200. Do you get that? Moving average 200, 50, and 9. This is how it works. And this is crash 300, and the time frame is 1 hour time frame. Now, anytime you see such a place I draw this thing, please always be observant. Something happened. All the market that make the move always stop here and below here, and you know, here is R, which is the resistance zone, and here is S, which is the support zone. Get that now. Now, with this simple thing, what is happening here now, we'll see it as C, which is consolidation or ranging. Now the question is, how will you determine the next move of the market? This is where people are failing, and this is why people are losing thousands of dollars, because they saw a move, they enter, they saw it go down, they enter, sell, it go up, they enter. By the end of the day, the market will reverse and only end them up, at least, I mean, they end up losing their money. Now, in such a case, because I want to be straight, in such case now, what do you do? At first, the next thing you should do in such a case now is check where is that thing. Where is the market trend going? Now, in your 250 moving average, what is the condition of the market at this point? Number one is that the whole thing is happening above the 200 levels, which means market want to go uptrend because it's crash, which means buyers want to take over because it is on the buy position, but not entry point for buys. Please get that. It's not yet entry point for buys. How? Because look at this blue here. Look at it here. So every market this consolidation is happening at this place. Please get that. Do you get that now? So the market is happening on top. Now do a little back test, small. Watch it. Let me help you. Let me help you. What do? You get your right angle triangle, put it at the center like this. Do you see that this thing that happened here has taken some times ago? And this is 1 hour time frame. I'm telling you why you expected the market to move up for your scalping, or you expected the spike to be massive, yet it just spiked small and you don't know what happened next. Why? Because this thing is happening at this particular location. Let me show you. This is the blue. So everything that you are seeing here happened. It crossed here small and touched here and get back to the market. Oh, get that. I wish somebody will understand what I'm saying. It touched here. Watch me. This market crossed here and it became uptrend, which is buy. And it went down here. It never crossed this line. So here it did a little consolidation and crossed again. And that crossing, the seller's momentum was not that strong, so they pushed through again. So because of what is happening in the market, they are still ranging to decide the next move of the market, which is where you can get the M shape or W shape. It depends on your way of analysis. So when you draw something like this, please watch me. When you draw something like this, what do you need to do? One, this thing that you see here is covering the whole resistance zone, and it's also covering the whole both high lows and lower lows of support zone. What do? Each time this market reverse and cross this place, do you get that? Each time market crosses above these things, here is the appropriate take profit for scalping. And here, this place is the second appropriate place for catching spike. Do you get that? So anytime the spike cross this place, the first, let me just remove this thing so that you will not be confused. Let me just remove it so that you get it more clearer. Now look at what is happening. So now, what should I look at for? The first thing you should look at for is, have the market started crossing the blue? Which the answer is yes. Check it here now. It has crossed the blue. Then, sir, should I enter? No, not yet. Don't enter yet. You have only but one thing to consider here. I'm coming. Oh, sorry. Let me change the color. Do you get that? So now, once you see this thing, what do? You place your horizontal. Now, since this thing has crossed like this, I'm telling you what you need to know. And it's simple, and as simple as that. So this spike now that just started spiking now, some people will enter here now, but it's very wrong, because if this thing can retrace like this, it can retrace and open another candle here, and the candle will go up and reverse this thing, and it will get here and it will spike back. But in this matter now, what do you need to do? You stay off the market, except you will go to your 1 minute time frame. Oh, this thing is for my student, but except you go to your 1 minute time frame. In such a case now, as this candle has started spiking, which means a candle has opened. So this thing you are seeing here now, if you go to 1 minute time frame, what you will see here now is a downtrend movement. Look at it. Have you seen it? It's a downtrend movement. So what do you do? If you know how to do this, you can only take advantage of the candle that just opened on a higher time frame, which means once this thing has crossed over to the blue, which is that blue movement there, you enter here. From there now, you land yourself to this place. And once you discover that the candle has finished, which means the next move of the market is what you don't know yet, you close your trade. All right, have you gotten that? So from your higher time frame, you take a decision each time this candle opened. But the best way for you to remain as a scalper, for you to catch spike and remain catching spike for a long time, no matter how you try to retrace on your lower time frame, is if this candle will cross here now and started looking at this place as a support zone, which means you will see something like this blue here now. It will start spike. When this one open and try to retrace, it will drop. Try to retrace, it will drop. It will drop. Then at this place, it will do a little consolidation and decide whether it will continue, on that spike, or it will not try to retrace and form another move for this thing. Look at what will happen when market break out. This is what will happen. Let me mark it for you to see. When markets break out, this is what you have to enjoy. So the question is, how many is willing to wait for the market to take its cross? So in such a case now, you have one thing to see. So when you go to your 1 minute time frame, yesterday, or will I say my last video, I focused much on how you can use the strategy to do scalping, but here I'm talking about how you can use it for a spike. So now, how do you use it for a spike? Number one is what I've just showed you. If that ranging on a higher time frame breaks out and start forming down, please go to your lower time frame, enter your trade, relax. Just enter as it is crash, enter buy and enter sell, relax. It will take a little time, but believe you me, it must drop. And it will not just drop once, it will keep dropping until you be surprised. Then, but for those who don't have massive account, that just have little account, how do you confirm your trade? Go to your 1 minute time frame, check out what I'm about to show you now. Watch what I'm about to show you now. Anytime, like I said in my last video, anytime, but I just want to make it expressly clear here. Anytime you see the blue and the red cross over like this below the blue, like here now, like here, then how do you confirm it again? The blue line in your window 1 will touch the 90 level. Do you see that? Will touch the 90 level. And if you touch the 90 level and this one will cross the blue line from the windows from your main chart, then expect a spike, at least something that will drop like 4 to 5 spikes. That is how it works. Okay, that is how it works. That is how it works. So like what you're seeing here now, and I want to say it is from me, GDFX. Listen, if this thing cross over to the blue, if it crosses over to the blue, both green crosses over to the blue, I mean below the blue, both of them, the red and the green, crosses down to the blue, then please be ready to be entering for spikes. Like if you can't, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then if it is getting close to the blue, you enter your spike, because it will definitely drop, except it want to retrace completely. And since this thing, ever since it crossed over to this place here, it has never crossed again. Ever since it crossed over to this place, if you can't, like these things 1, 2, 3 to this place, you have something. Then you leave the market and allow this one to go. Like yesterday, the people that did my last video for Skypers, they will enjoy this one. And from here, you have something to enjoy here. This is how simple it is. So let me give you the indicators for you to see. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. And I will be dropping the next video. Just check at the description. Just check at the screen. You will see the last video. You will see it. In case you didn't watch the other one, you will see it on the screen. Just check on the top. You will be seeing the last video that has the Skyping of this one. So this is moving average. Please, if you need mentorship, please feel free to contact me. Remember that it will cost you something, but you will not regret it. I have people who I am proud of. I'm sure of what I'm saying. There are people who I am 100% proud of. At least they can comfortably send money to me and say, boss, take this. You have helped me. Not that I'm poor. God knows I can never be poor. So, but they are showing gratitude. Some of them lost thousands of dollars, but just a little token. So today they are enjoying it, and they are enjoying it. Please, you can also take that opportunity. You deposit $500, you blow it. What is the gain? What is your bet? If I train you, you can never have $200 in your account and you blow it. It cannot happen. It cannot happen. That is just except you don't follow the rules. It cannot happen. So These things I'm showing you is while I'm talking, I'm also giving you this thing. So you see the screen, you can screenshot it. That is how it works. All right. So this is the last moving average. My name is GDFX. Remember that each time the thing crossed over and the red touch the 10, it is for scalping. At least take 5 candles, 3 candles, and you leave the market. The blue touch the 90 level, expect a spike. Check it. It has never touched anywhere without a spike. Check it. It has never touched anywhere without a spike. Check it. It has never touched 90 level without a spike. Check it. It has never touched 90 level without a spike. Check it. Anywhere it touches 90 level, it must come down with a spike. Check it. Check all of them. So we are doing real and life thing here, and I want to promise you that sky will be your limit, because very soon you will start breaking out from losing trade to entering trade and start making profit. Signing out, GDFX.